Hey there, how are you doing? I hope this finds you well. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to show you how you can draw arrows in InDesign. Those of us who use InDesign, I know you understand how hard it is for you to draw an arrow in InDesign. So the first step is I have opened my InDesign software and created just a random document, and then I've created this text box so that I can do my arrow inside there. So the first step is go to your tools, and then pick the line tool. Once you've picked that, click on shift so that you can draw a straight line. Click and drag. Okay, sorry, that's not straight. Shift and drag. Okay, let's increase the weight so that you can be able to see. So this is just a straight line. So once you do that, on the right side, look for a stroke, tool, and then if you go through this, you'll see this section written start stroke end. At the moment it's none, meaning it's just a straight line, but if you click the drop down arrow, you'll be able to see the various options that are there and just click on the one that you want. And here we have our arrow. You're done with that. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you in the next video.